Hey, welcome back to our channel Business by World. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that has the potential to reshape your financial landscape. Discovering how to make money online. In an age where the digital world is seamlessly intertwined with our daily lives, the internet has become a treasure trove of opportunities for enterprising individuals. Whether you're a student looking to earn some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent seeking a flexible income source, or an entrepreneur aiming to expand your revenue streams, the online realm holds promises aplenty. Throughout this video, we'll be your guides, unveiling tried and true strategies that can empower you to leverage the vast online landscape for financial gain. From the realms of freelancing and e-commerce to the realms of content creation and digital products, we'll navigate through the diverse avenues that await your exploration. So if you're ready to unlock the potential of online prosperity, let's dive in and explore how to turn your digital dreams into a reality. #1. Freelancing and remote work. One of the most accessible ways to make money online is through freelancing or remote work. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking various services, from writing and graphic design to programming and digital marketing. By showcasing your skills and building a strong portfolio, you can attract clients from around the world. Remember, reliability and delivering high-quality work are key to establishing a solid reputation in the freelancing world. #2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Another popular avenue is e-commerce. You can start your own online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. If holding inventory isn't your thing, consider dropshipping, where you sell products without keeping them in stock. Research trending products, create engaging product listings, and focus on excellent customer service. Building a brand and marketing it effectively through social media and other channels can lead to a successful online store. #3. Content creation and monetization. If you have a passion for creating content, the digital world offers a plethora of opportunities. YouTubers, podcasters, bloggers, and social media influencers can monetize their content through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even fan donations on platforms like Patreon. Remember, consistency is key. Create valuable content that resonates with your target audience and engage with them to foster a loyal community. #4. Online courses and ebooks. Sharing your expertise through online courses or ebooks can be not only fulfilling but also profitable. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to create and sell digital educational products. Identify a skill or knowledge gap that you can fill, structure your content effectively, and market your course or ebook to the right audience. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth recommendations will contribute to your success. #5. Stock photography and creative assets. If you're into photography, design, or music, you can monetize your creative assets. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your photos and graphics, while platforms like Audio Jungle enable you to sell music and sound effects. Keep an eye on market trends and create high-quality, in-demand content to generate a steady stream of passive income. Conclusion. As you can see, the internet offers a wide array of opportunities to make money online. Whether you choose freelancing, e-commerce, content creation, online courses, or selling creative assets, success requires dedication, consistent effort, and a willingness to adapt to the ever-changing digital landscape. Remember, while making money online is achievable, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations and a commitment to providing value to your audience or clients. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your online money-making journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. If you have any questions or want to share your online money-making experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and see you in the next video.